This is Entertainment 97. Entertainment 97. Welcome to Entertainment 97. For the love of music, information, reviews, the movies, and the party scene. Entertainment 97.
Coming up, local and international entertainment news highlights. Entertainment flashback in 60 seconds. This week's hot happenings, and check this out. Good afternoon, I'm Heather Cummings-Williams, and this is Entertainment 97. Heading local entertainment news, new music is brewing from Marion Hall and American gospel R&B singer Charlie Wilson. The former dancehall icon Minister Marion Hall said a gospel song with her testimonies is underway. Charlie is scheduled to perform at Reggae Sumfest coming up on July 22. He visited Jamaica last April, where he recorded songs with reggae legend Beres Hammond, along with an ensemble of Jamaican musicians. As a solo artist, Charlie Wilson copped 13 Grammy nominations, as well as the BET Lifetime Achievement Award. For international entertainment, Jada Pinkett Smith is speaking up. The actress is telling her full story in her own words for her upcoming memoir titled Worthy. Last year, Pinkett Smith revealed to People magazine that every topic will be covered in the book, including recent discussions about her son Jaden Smith and, of course, the infamous Will Smith-Chris Rock slap live at the Oscars. The Worthy Book Tour is slated to begin in October. In this week's Entertainment Flashback in 60 seconds, we wrap up our reflection on one of our pillars of reggae music, Burning Spear. Burning Spear continued to release albums on a biannual basis, beginning with Rasta Business in 1995, which also earned a Grammy nomination along with appointment with His Majesty. It would seem like Burning Spear was almost always a bridesmaid but never a bride, with Grammy nominations and not a single win until 2000 and 2009, when Calling Rastafari and Jah Is Real, respectively, took the trophies home. Calling Rastafari was also supplemented by a major American tour, and Mr. Rodney kept the ball rolling and later started his own official record label, Burning Spear Records, which was signed to the EMI British label. Free Man was released in 2003, followed by Our Music in 2005. Like no other, Burning Spear has lived up to his name over the years in music, leaving a legacy for many reggae artists to emulate. Cool 97 FM is proud to call him one of our own, a Jamaican reggae music icon. And that's where we pause for the flashback for this week. Listen next Friday, same time, same place, for another epic entertainment flashback in 60 seconds. In this week's Hot Happenings, this Saturday, July 8th at Footprints Cafe, is the dance party series with the Young Lion Craig Ross and Senor Daly called Summer Boogie. Tickets are $1,000 before 11, $1,500 after. Be there. EDM Lime at the AC Hotel Pool Lawn is where it's at every Saturday from 6 to 11 p.m. Craig the Young Lion will be juggling your faves. And head up to Triple T's and at Crescent Kingston this and every Tuesday is Throwback Tuesdays with a Young Lion Craig Ross. Start time 6 p.m. until drink specials all night. Go check out To The Top. It's a 2010 collab with Chris Martin and German reggae artist Gentleman. To The Top was reported as certified gold in Germany last week, and we're here for it. Christopher Martin was the 2005 winner in the Digital Rising Stars competition and is best known for a series of hits including Cheetah's Prayer, Big Deal, and Take My Love. And that's it for Entertainment 97. I'm Heather Cummings-Williams. Thanks to technical producer Ebson Johnson and producer Abigail Wilson. Catch us again next Friday for your weekly dose of entertainment scoops inside Entertainment 97.